Hello there everyone and welcome back to Coding Rail. Now as I told you in my previous video, that is selection sorting video, that we will come with bubble sorting also. So this video is related to bubble sorting. So what is the concept behind bubble sorting, we will see, and then we will proceed to our program section. So let's get started. So in the first round, suppose we have this number of array. Here we will check the greatest number and we will shift that number to the right side. Okay, for that we will use swapping. So in the first iteration we will check first two number and we will check which number is greater, and greater number will be shifted to the right side, as you can see in the next array. So in the second iteration we will check the second and the third number, and now here the same procedure will follow with third and fourth number, and again with fourth and fifth. So 9, as you can see, the 9 number is highest number in this array, so it will shift it to the most right position, at that means last index position. Okay, so here our first round completed, and in the second round again we will follow the same procedure, and again we will start with first and second index. So here again we need to check which one is the greater. Same, we will shift it to right position, and again we will check second and third. Then there is no need to shift any number because it is already in the right format. Okay, and here again 7 will be shifted to fourth position, and so on. So this is our output after round 2. We will use it in our round 3, as you can see here. So now again same procedure will follow, but here we need to repeat it for 3 times. Final output from the round 3. Okay, now in round 4 again same procedure we will follow. We will swap 3 and 1 again, and 3 will go to the third position. Now you are observing that as we are increasing our round, we are decreasing our iteration. In the fifth round we will do the same only once, because after this iteration our array will be in the ascending order, or you can say in the sorting format. So this will be our main output. So the main concept is we have to check each index value with its next index value, and we need to check which number is greater, and the greater number should be shifted to right position. And as our round, or you can say iteration, is increases, we have to reduce our inner iteration. So enough theory, let's jump to program section. Now here I have taken one array that is in the form of int. Now we need length of this array, so for that let's say length. Yeah, that's it. Now let's start our main part, that is for loop. We'll start from 0. It will go till length -1, because every time we are checking with next value, so we have to make sure that our iteration should go till second last position of array box. Okay, Jish will be start from 0 and it will go till L-1. Yeah, you can write the same as you write in the outer loop, but we will exceed our iteration unnecessarily, because in every iteration we have to reduce one by one. As I told you in my PPT section that in each next round we have to reduce our iteration. So iteration will be reduced by I value. Now this is our main for loop structure. Here we need to check means first value. If this is greater than its next value. If this is true, we have to swap our position with its next position if the first number is greater. So for swapping we are taking one temp variable. Now here our swapping is done. After completing its operation we will print it again. Now let's try to run it. Yeah, bingo. Now we got the correct output. First the procedure has to be done and then we need to print our output. So that's it from this video guys. See you in the next video with new concept, and till then take care and bye bye.